This is a video extract from my latest video on YouTube which will premiere on the 8th of October, 2025. It is not an advertisement. I decided to make this, shall we say, reminder, to tell you a few truths about the Foundry of Ideas. The Foundry of Ideas is a channel that presents to you the tools that I designed. Once I form an idea, I actually build it, and then it is tested so that I know it actually functions properly and does the job it is supposed to do. I always try to make a jig as simple as possible so that even beginners can build it and use it in their workshops. Another aspect that always plays an important role in my designs is that I ensure one can build what I present with parts that are not going to cost a fortune. I use the rule of the 3A. Ambition, to make tools that are easy to replicate. Aspiration, to create designs that are useful. Application, to build a piece of equipment that will not cost exorbitant amounts of money to put together. So far, I talked to you about my videos on tools and jigs that I make myself. Another important part of my video presentations relates to 1. Reviewing tools which are commercially available. 2. Preparing explanatory videos that show how parts of commercially available equipment actually work or how these should be maintained. My work on the above is easy to understand, and it is supplemented by visuals that make what I say abundantly clear so that the viewer can effortlessly apply for himself/herself. Above all, my presentations are honest and realistic appraisals, without any hidden agendas, because nothing I present is sponsored in any way or by any external principle. Thank you for having taken the time to watch and listen to what I had to tell you here. I hope that you found this small presentation of interest, and if this is the case, why not subscribe to my channel? The Foundry of Ideas will always bring you presentations that you can use in your own workshops, irrespectively to whether these are large or small. Once you have subscribed, do send me your opinions, questions, or any comments you may have. I ask for this because I value a close relationship with my supporters. After all, I consider that my subscribers are my supporters, aren't they? With many thanks to your attention to the above and with sincere appreciation for your support. Thank you.